so much, I think, the strategy, okay, because not so much the things related to research, but basic commerce and basic accounting skills are needed, okay. Service-oriented business modeling, I stressed this one already, so don't think that in a bachelor you train programmers, okay? This is 20th century thinking. With the modern technologies, you must also teach them modeling. And in fact, in Leuven, we took the decision to teach our commercial engineers, for example, in information management, before we confront them with programming. Actually, we don't confront them with programming in the first year. We majorly confront them with modeling and design, okay, in the first year. So that before they start to dig in the technologies, that they have an understanding of the business. Like I said, UML for me is you must listen. Okay, it's a way to listen to the business, to understand the business requirements and the business processes, and to transform them into schemas, into models that afterwards can be implemented in service systems that satisfy these requirements. And bear in mind that in the UML standard there's a lot of activity around model-driven development, where the programs are no longer written by people, but are automatically generated from models. This is not science fiction, because in the first year we developed for our students a web service so that they can submit their UML models and they get back a Java SQL implementation of the model, a running model, without writing one line of code. Okay? So this is 2008. Times are evolving. If you train just programmers, okay, you will miss the boat on these new insights on how you develop and how you design service systems. A lot of operational things, of course, in a bachelor curriculum. IT problem and change management, and incident management, the whole ticketing system and tracking system for problems. Of course, there must be some foundations in IT service management, the way how things belong together. Of course, there must be a basic understanding of information and communication technology, but you should not train bachelors to become experts. Okay? They should have the basics of databases, they should have the basis of communication technology, but they will not be the developers of technology. They will be the ones that use the technology to develop service systems, in my view, and to manage IT services. IT infrastructure management. I stressed very strongly the way that infrastructure has its own characteristics. That's also where you include security management for IT service. Then the development of IT services, that's where the programming and the actual realization comes in, and bachelors should know how to do it. So they should know how. I mean, I make sometimes the analogy with a chicken. It's not good to have a chicken that is running the whole day around and just say cuckoo. At some point there must be an egg. Okay? So the development of IT services is where you deliver the eggs.